them or if he hates them. It's kind of hard to tell. He doesn't have much of an opinion, but hard to tell.